Hello, my dear students. How are you? Let's start today peeling the banana to make banana milkshake. Remember? Here we go. Peel banana, peel banana, chop banana, chop banana. Shake banana, shake banana. Drink banana, drink banana. Banana, banana, no more. Banana, banana, no more. Good job. Today, class, we are going to work two different topics. The first one is numbers 1 through 100. And let's start with that one. To begin with, let's count by looking at number words, okay? Can you read for me? Good. 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 Yes. Good. Correct. Super. Good job. Good. Those were number words. Here we have numbers that go 10 by 10. Can you help me? Read and look at the number, okay? At the numeral. Number word and numeral. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Those are our numbers 10 by 10. Okay, now let's review how to write the number word for some of the numbers, like the ones I have here. Okay? Let me see. If we have this number, please tell me what number it is. 48. 48. So the first word we'll look for is 40. We have our tens here, so we just look for 40 and we write it down. 40, 40 what? 48. So we look for the word that says 8 right there and we write it down. 48. That's it. That is the word for the numeral 48. But there's one thing missing. Remember, right between the two words, we need a hyphen. Remember that word? Hyphen. I'm going to put it in red just so that we remember. The hyphen goes there. Now, what is the next number? 96. Again, 96. The first word we'll write is 90. We look for the word 90. It is down here. Can you see it? 90. Let's write it down. 96. 96. Correct? What is missing between words? Remember? A hyphen. So, we write a hyphen. Now, the number word is correct. What number is this? 96. And this is the written form. When you write it in letters, in words, it is 96. What happens if you have a number with 110 plus 7 ones? Are we going to say 10-7? No, we're not going to say that. We are going to say it is number 17. 17. It is correct. So I'm going to leave it here so you know how to write this number word. There you go. Yes, 7 stays there. 17. Good. How about this one? Are we gonna say 10-3? No. We are gonna say 13. Remember numbers after 10? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. After 20, then we make these combinations. 20 except this one. Only after 20. 21 or 53 or 75. And where you combine two words, a hyphen is needed between words. Okay? Now you can go to page 90 and do the activity. Okay? Please stop the video. Finish your activity on page 90, and when you're done, you continue watching the class. Go, go, go. I'll be waiting for you. Well, I hope you're done with that page full of numbers. Before we go to the next topic, which is contractions, let's do this. Missed. Okay, let's try again. Oh, forgot the clap. Okay, I know you can do better. Better than your teacher. Okay, let's talk about contractions. Contractions we did in book 3, I think. Yeah, we did contractions in book 3. But let's just remember a little bit. Look at the words I have here. In my first column, I have words. 1 and 2 words. 1, 2 words. 1, 2 words. 1 and 2 words. But in my second column, I just have one word. One word, one word, one word, one word. Why is that possible? Because I used contractions, not conjunctions. They're similar. Conjunctions join or connect sentences. Contractions connect words. Words. Okay? So, one of this corresponds to one of this. No contraction, contraction. Okay? So let's match. I'll use my red color, red marker. Here we go. I am. Just by looking at the words, which do you think is the contraction for I am? Of course, because we can see this part and we can see a little bit of this part right here. What happened here? Where's letter A? When we use contractions, we drop some letters. Drop means erase, eliminate, go away. Okay? So, in order to make contractions, we drop, bye-bye, some letters, and then in that place, we put an apostrophe, a little dot in the line down. Whoa! Now let's read. No contraction, I am, but That contraction is I'm. I'm. It's just one word. Okay, let's go over some contractions because we know about contractions, okay? Just by looking at these two columns, I need you to please identify the contraction that belongs to these words in column number 1. First thing, look, 1 and 2 words. 1 and 2 words. 1 and 2 words. 1 and 2 words. Let's start from there. First, we have two words, and then we change them using contractions. Okay? We change them to the contraction form. Now, I am. Which contraction belongs to I am? Obviously, the one that says I, right there. But take a look at this. In order to form contractions, we need to drop some letters. Bye-bye, erase it. I am then becomes I'm, but in the place where this letter was, we need to put an apostrophe. So now the contraction is I am. Oh, sorry, I'm. I am, and the contraction is I'm. Good. Now look at the second one. Do not. If we combine these two words, what is the contraction? Do, obviously, the one that has do right there. But, oops, what happened to this letter? We dropped it. Bye-bye. We dropped that letter, and what goes in that space? An apostrophe. So now, do not becomes don't. No contraction, contraction. How about the next one? They will. They will. Let's look for the one that has they right there. Oops, where are these two letters? In this case, we dropped two letters. Bye, 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 bye. And what do we put in this space? An apostrophe. Correct. They'll. And the last one. She is. Obviously, we're talking about the one that says she and the one that looks similar to is. Where is letter I? We drop it. Drop. Bye-bye. Or erase it. Eliminate it. So the contraction is she's. And in this space, what do we put? Apostrophe. Okay? So, now we just remembered two words combined with an apostrophe. We call that contraction. And in English, we use contractions a lot to go faster. Okay? Now take a look at this next thing. Let's stretch up. Let's stretch to the front. Stretch to one side. Stretch to the other side. Can you please tell me the topic we are working today? Did you say conjunctions? What is the topic again? It is contractions. Now let me tell you the specific topic today is contractions with two expressions, two specific expressions. They are cannot. This is something we use in present. I'm gonna fold it. Can. Do you remember when you ask questions? Wait. For example, you ask, can I go to the restroom? Teacher, can I help you? Teacher, can I? Well, this is the word can, and it expresses possibility in present. I can speak English. Yep. I can write my name. Oh, that's very simple. Yes, I can. I have the ability. I can do it. So this one is used in present. Today we're going to use it negative. Cannot. I cannot sing well. Nah. Mm-mm. I can, remember, I cannot swim. Remember, I mentioned this in class. I cannot swim. This is cannot. Cannot means you don't have the ability to do something. I'm going to put it here under my symbol for present. And cannot, since this is present, what is the past tense of can or cannot? Then the word is could, could, or the negative could not. Teacher, yesterday I could not do my homework because my pencil, I lost it. I lost my pencil. Yeah, of course not. So I'm going to place this right here where my symbol for past tense is. Okay? Could not. Now we know this is present, this is past. But today the topic is contraction, so we're going to learn the contraction for this, for present, and the contraction for this in past. What do you think the contraction is? So we keep the first part. What is that? Can we drop some letters? In this case, two. And what's in that place where we dropped letters? Oh my God, we can't see. Where we dropped those two letters, what do we use? An apostrophe in that place and the rest of the word. What letter is that? Can't. Oh, so now we know we can use this one. Sorry, teacher, I cannot hear you. Or this one. Sorry, teacher, I can't hear you. This is okay. This is okay. No contraction, contraction, no contraction, contraction. Is this correct to use? Yes. Is this correct to use? Yes. But when speaking English, we use contractions to go faster. Now, how about this one? What do you think? Excuse me, I'm gonna move this a little bit. No, What do you think the contraction is for could not? Of course, this part stays the same. Could. And here we just drop one letter. We just drop one letter. And that's letter. Oh, we drop it. We have letter N. But letter O was dropped. Bye-bye. No letter O. What do we put in that space where letter O was? We put an apostrophe. Remember, where you drop some letters away, you put an apostrophe and then the rest of the word. So, could not now became couldn't. Is this correct to use? Yeah, it is okay. Teacher, I could not finish my homework yesterday. That's correct. But if you want to go faster, use a contraction. Teacher, yesterday I couldn't finish my homework. So, this is correct. This is correct. The only difference is this and this help you go faster, and we call them contractions. Okay, I think you are ready to go to your book page. That is 74. I need you to go to page 74. Read the information there and answer the page. I'm gonna help you with one of the exercises in your book page. Okay? Just so that it's clear. If you look at the instructions, it says rewrite the following sentences using contractions. The book says rewrite. Oh, my writing is big. It says rewrite. We know this means write. Use your pencil and write letters. Write. But this one says rewrite. This complete word means write again. Write again. So if the instructions in the book says, rewrite the sentence, that means you have to write the sentence again. But in this case, it says using contractions. Whoa, that's so simple. The first thing that I need you to pay attention to is the two words, the two contractions that we just practiced as the topic for today. Could not. Two words that you will put in the contraction form. Let's rewrite. So what does it say? The subject stays the same. These are the two words, but remember how to make the contraction? Drop some letters. Well, the first word stays the same. Could, and then we drop letter O. In that space, we put a contraction, and we continue. Contraction. And then we just copy the rest. Come in, excuse me, let me move over. In the field trip. That's it. That's it. Okay? You rewrite the sentence and don't forget to use contractions with could not and cannot. Okay, you're ready. Good job today. Let's finish our class by doing the peel bananas, peel, bananas, chop, chop, bananas, shake, banana, shake, banana, drink, banana, banana, no more, banana, no more. Class, I'll see you next week. Have fun.